In this video, you are going to conduct market research for your school store by creating a Google form. The first thing you're going to do is open up a tab in your browser and go to drive.google.com. Then you will click on New, and then click on Google Forms. All right, the first thing we're going to do is give our form a name. We're going to call this School Store Market Research. When you change the name of the file and hit enter, it will update the title of the form as well. The first question we're going to ask is what type of item students would like to purchase. All right, so when we click this question, we're going to ask, what items would you like to see 3D printed? All right, we're going to give them the option to pick more than one answer, so we're going to say select all that apply. It's already changed to checkboxes for us, but I wanted to show you some of the different options that are available. There's short answer, paragraph, multiple choice, checkboxes, drop down. You can have students upload a file. There's a linear scale, a multiple choice grid, checkbox grid, as well as time and date options. All right, so we're going to use checkboxes that will allow students to select more than one option. So option 1, we'll put keychain. How about a bag identification tag, or maybe a cord/cable identification tag, a necklace pendant, and earrings. Let's also add the option of other, so that way if they have another idea that they want, they can put that in as well. So you'll see where it says add option or add other, we'll just click on add other. To add a new question, you will click on the plus sign and it will put a question underneath the one that you just did. All right, the next question we're going to ask is, what kind of text would they like to see on their 3D printed item? So text being letters or numbers. So let's type that in. Again, we're going to give them multiple options. So we want to make sure that it says check boxes. So some of the options that we can offer, maybe they want to see their initials custom printed. What about their first name custom printed? Maybe the school letters. And again, add the option for other. Okay, now let's add a new question. For this one, we'll just make it multiple choice so that they only select one answer. For this question, let's ask what kind of base shape do they want to see on their 3D printed item. So we'll say, which of the following base shapes would you most like to see on a 3D printed item that you would purchase? All right, so we can give them the option of a circle, maybe a star, a heart, and a hexagon. Of course, you can choose other shapes and customize it as you wish. All right, now we're going to add a new question. So click on the plus sign. And again, we'll make this one a multiple choice. And we'll say, what type of graphic do they most want to see on a 3D printed item? So, all right, so we're going to give them categories to begin with, and then we can narrow it down from there. So the first category, we could say an animal icon. We can also say a sport or game icon, or perhaps an art, music, or nature icon. Okay, you are ready for the next step. Thanks for watching.